What's up guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're now going to be tearing down Sicko because after test fitting the things that we needed to do, it's now time to tear it back apart so that those pieces can go back to the shop, get some different things made. I don't know, it's above my head. I'm just here to film and look at all the pretty stuff. So yeah, just waiting for Jake to get out of the shower, nice and bright early morning, and we're going to start tearing down the Mustang.
Got it.
Yeah.
You one day will feel your amazing, mate.
Hopefully.
Got it.
Did the stud stick in the... Is he got a nut on top?
I'm gonna have to
Trying to sit in a shit spot.
hold that there.
If you ever wondered what the inside of a injector hat looks like.
Where is it? And when you normally like screw this together like properly, you do all these like
Do them in a sequence, yeah, like when you're doing wheel nuts. So it pulls it on straight, yeah,
like
go from corners.
And that one, and then like that one, inside, and yeah, just so that it all pulls down evenly.
Slide it forward.
So we'll put it back on that.
Yeah, where it was.
You lift from the front.
Can I go from the blower guard? The blower.
Shut up. We'll lift it over my side. You good?
Yep.
Let's go.
Is that up? Whew. One big whiny boy. So this is an 871 just here. Jake runs a 671. So Gary was running through me yesterday. The distance here and here, so the actual depth of it at the ends and with the start and the front and the back is shorter just here. That's the easiest way to tell the difference between an 871 and a 671. Pretty much the only difference you can really see between them all is the length. So you'd probably have different length in the rotors inside, but that's really the only way you can tell. So are we getting the 871?
Yeah, it's actually lifted off the stud. There's a stud on the other side.
It's not too bad.
Right, let it down. You got to
Yep.
get it off evenly.
Yeah.
Now just sit it there.
Yep.
And you come around here on the other side. Or you're right there to lift it over.
Yeah, I should be.
Yeah.
Ready, go.
Cool.
All right, so she's all done, all back in bed, all ready to go. We had to pull the manifold off for it too. Camera kind of filled up, so I had to dump all the footage on the laptop. So we quickly just pulled this off while that was happening. But put it to bed now so you're not getting any crud and crap inside the engine. It's probably going to be it for this little project because we both have to head home because we both work. Oh, I work tonight. You work tomorrow, don't you, Jake?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Lower. Pull that. Yep.
I suppose that's all we really need to do. Big empty spot.
Big turbo. That's a good clickbait.
Yeah. Alrighty guys, so that's pretty much where the video ends, at least for the part where we're at the Myers, because that's where my camera died, so I couldn't keep filming, but you didn't miss anything from there. Literally, we were kind of rushing and hurrying to get all the last of that done because we both had to leave. Our time schedules were running out, and we didn't realize how much of the day we'd used doing the stuff that we're doing. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was really fun. It was some really cool content, really cool stuff to do. Definitely something you don't get to do every day, and it's the first time I've ever gotten to manhandle a blower like that before. But yeah, so that's the sick 2 little videos from there. So the reason that we went down to film for all that stuff was not only we had to test fit some stuff for them, was the main thing was for the Hoonigans Legends Tour with Hot Wheels. Huge competition they're running. It's just about to close. You've probably seen the video on the channel from the one that we've made and uploaded. Go and give that some love. Make sure you share that around with your friends. Show Hoonigan why Australians do things better and bigger, because we want to get Sicko over to the States for SEMA and show them how we roll. Everyone's seen American Burnouts. Everyone knows we do better burnouts, especially Jake's. This morning they actually shared a video on the Hoonigan channel of Jake shredding tires at Motivation this year, and that was one hell of a skid. So that was one hell of a video for them to share. So make sure you jump on that other video, give it some love. Make sure Hoonigans see it. Make sure they love it just as much as we do, because, man, we need to get the car over there and we need to show them how it's done. But yeah, at least for this video, this is going to be the end. I'll catch you on Friday's video where we will start doing stuff with the exhaust on the wagon. That's going to be a freaking wicked project. I can't wait to see that because I'm so keen to see what the actual difference is because of... I'm going to stop chatting your ear off. Alrighty guys, I'll catch you in the next one, which will be on Friday. 6 p.m. Make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel. Ring that little notification bell so that you get all the updates as soon as we upload. And yeah, catch you in the next one, guys. Peace.
You bitching and bugging, there's nothing that we got in common. I've been out grinding and hustling, investing this paper, got tired of eating that ramen. All of my music be heat, I ain't missing a beat. I've been blessed with impeccable timing. Watch all them people who friendly, it turn into envy whenever they see that you shining. Okay.
For those people that are still hanging around just after, I don't know if anyone's still watching or not, but our sticker machine has arrived. We are waiting on some vinyl and we're gonna start cutting some stickers ourselves, and you guys are gonna be able to buy some stickers. I know a lot of people have been asking me for a long time. So we finally have a sticker machine. We're gonna be cutting our own stickers. Keep an eye out, you're gonna be able to buy them very soon. All right guys, catch ya, peace.